Hello, we have another launch today. Just here today, this Fantasy Ads Mailer is launched. There's, by the way, just to give you a couple tips, but again, you can just stay tuned to my list, my YouTube channel. Even if you're not on my list, you're still on my list by being on this channel. And what you do is just join the programs that I give you. However, you may say, well, how do I find these? That's easy. Once you get involved in the niche, you're really just, there's two ways. You're clicking around or surfing for credit, and that's when you see the new sites, or you're on a bunch of people's lists, because there's lots of people building a list in this niche, and you should be on quite a few lists. And that's how you find out about the new programs coming out. Now, the good thing about the new programs coming out, the launches, it's twofold. Number one, they almost always have a promo code for free traffic. And then number two, they get our conversion rate. Or, there's more people actually clicking because it's new and fresh. So because of the combination of those things, you have a good chance of, making leads or even sales, from a new list. Of course, there's no guarantee on sales, but sales is a numbers game. Just keep on sending more and more traffic. It's a numbers game. If you have a decent offer, you should get sales over time if you're consistent. By that, at least 500 to 1,000 visitors a day. If you get your coaching, I can show you how I do that. I get 500 to 1,000, sometimes more than 1,000 visitors in a day. And if you consistently do that, then you have a good offer, then you make sales. I mean, since I made hundreds of sales, how could you not make sales if I make hundreds of sales doing the same exact thing? So you just have to remain consistent. Even I'm not 100% consistent, but I guarantee I'm getting traffic every single day. I may have moments of where I want to take a break or whatever, but I'm getting traffic every single day, that's for sure. So for Fantasy Ads Mailer, sign up. Link is in the description. Sign up here. Some of the sites will have their initial promo code on the splash page. This one does not, but it's just fantasy. So I've already signed up and I've gone to voucher, and let's do this together. I'm gonna enter fantasy. So I got 1,000 credits, 1,000 banner credits, and 1,000 text ad credits. He skimped on the login ads. I don't see any login ads here, but still, you get 1,000 credits on a new site will last you a while. Because these sites, they don't get like 1,000 visitors or members. You get 1,000 visitors. Yeah, what I meant was it's not like they get 1,000 visitors overnight or something. So this will last you a while. If you just consistently mail every couple of days, 3 days, something like that, then you're just going to keep getting traffic until you run out of credits. And there's some login bonuses here too when you log in, so you'll add a little bit to this even without clicking for credit, which you would do in the earnings section, unread emails. But this one literally just, like I said, this just started, so there's really nothing there yet other than mostly the owner. That's the owner. He's 1968, so it's mostly just the owner's emails that them already collect, huh? I don't know what that is. Anyway, Yeah, it just started, so go ahead and go to voucher and enter the code fantasy. So we're launching today, so let's go ahead and get this done. This particular owner, he has a tendency to burn through a lot of different sites. So, you want to use up your credits fairly quickly in this one. Okay, so you want to join now and start using your credits. Don't wait around for this one. Alright? That's for today's launch of Fantasy Ads Mailer. The promo code is FANTASY, and get your free traffic. See you on the next video.